Valorant is a competitive tactical team FPS that spices things up a bit with unique characters and abilities to complement the gunplay. If that sort of thing appeals to you, here's a few things you'll need to know. The game is a tactical shooter first and foremost, like Counter-Strike Global Offensive. In most game modes, you'll be playing as a 5-man team, or as a solo agent in a free-for-all fight. Tactical gunplay is king, though each playable agent has a few extra abilities that can give you a unique edge when you need it. Combined with good teamwork and intimate knowledge of available maps, you'll dominate every encounter. While the tutorial gives you a good grasp of the technical basics, here are a few tips to keep in mind if you're just starting out. As a tactical shooter, speed isn't everything. Running and gunning isn't always the best idea, considering that your accuracy gets thrown off by a lot if you shoot while moving. Feel free to slow down and dial in your mouse sensitivity to something you're used to. To hit what you point at, stop moving before you shoot. Headshots do the most damage and put your enemy out of action the fastest, so learning to keep your crosshair at head level can give you a general advantage. Valorant's guns have almost as much character as the agents you play, with different recoil patterns, effective ranges, cache values, and quirks. So test a few out to see what you can work with. In general, you want to fire in short bursts to stay on target. Next, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the available maps. Get familiar with routes players take, lines of sight, and good hiding spots. In general, you want to expose yourself as little as possible. Aside from gunplay, don't forget your character's abilities. They may give you just what you need to get the drop on someone, whether it's Sova's recon bolt showing you where enemies are through walls, or Sage's barrier orb that can give you cover where you need it. Play using different agents to get familiar with what they can do and how you can use them best. Lastly, on 5 versus 5 game modes especially, remember that you're playing on a team. While you can't always pick and choose reliable teammates, you can play off of what they're doing and trying to do. Be flexible, and a level head can win you the day. Between practicing the basics and picking up a few tricks from pros, you'll be ranking up in no time. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Valorant and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.